clock. Like, these people have my address, they have my number. Every time something happens, they feel like they should call the police. I don't want them to check up on me because they don't like me. Everything is okay with me when they call you. Tell them to move them bomber clocks and don't call you.
Okay. Are you from New York? Is that what they call?
I'm from Jamaica. They have my number, so they feel like, and they have my address. So every time I am angry or I talk shit, mad stuff, they feel like they should call the police to come and check on me. I don't want none of them to check on me.
Okay, so what do you say exactly?
May I tell my baby father about him bomber clock? May I cuss off my baby father and I'm trying to find where he lives to go pop up down there right now.
So what does that mean?
Pop up, go to the house.
For what?
Because he has a new address. Show him something.
What do you want to show him?
Say I'm not bad time. If you want to call him for me and find out his address.
I'm sorry, why are you
ignorant. I'm having girlfriend that stop calling on my phone. That stop pest me, that stop pest my phone. Every call you tell them I say to go check on their family and their life and stop calling about me.
Okay, alright, well.
Thank you, same to you. Same to you. Anyone who know call bomboclad police at me yard, wanna go suck on no mama. Me still I go cuss and me still I go class. So if I not sleep in New York and you call police, or if I lady pee, or if I tire, or if I anyone a blood clot, wanna call police. Fi come at me yard, fi come ask me about this or ask about that. Me I go tell uno and them about them bomboclad. Me no give a fuck. We feel like them did go come do a while ago. What you feel like them did go come do a while ago? What you feel like them did go come do a while ago? You cannot stop me from arguing. You go call them days and night. You go call them days and I want to find out which one of them dirty girl they send police to me yard. You think they can stop me from cuss? This is her page. Go white girl.
Okay, so you just like baby daddy? Where are the kids?
Yeah.
They okay? You mad?
What kids?
It's your baby daddy.
The kid is in my belly.
Okay.
You see the next time they call you, tell them I don't need anybody to check up on me. I don't know them, I don't like them. They're haters who call to pretend like they like me. I don't know none of them. My number was leaked multiple times, so they have my number. My address is leaked. See these packages coming into my house?
I see it.
I don't know them.
Alright, here's the thing. We're just gonna be careful what we say, because sometimes you say too much, it gives them the cause to call the police, right? I understand that. Internet's probably not the best place to say.
They're gonna always keep calling.